Hi everyone, we are the group 5 and we will be discussing the skeletal muscle of biomechanics. So first, let us discuss what is skeletal muscle. So skeletal muscle is one of the main types of muscles in our body. So it is also connected to our bones by tendons, and it helps us to move in different parts. So it means that we can decide when we do our movement, like for example, we are walking, running, or jumping. Skeletal muscles are the ones responsible for our body to move, and also because they pull on our bones when we do contract. So these are the some of examples of skeletal muscle. First, we have the deltoid. So it helps our arm to move away from our body. So for example is when we do our shoulder movement. The biceps. So it helps us to bend our arm and the elbow. While the triceps, it helps us straighten our arm at the elbow. Next is the pectoralis major. So it moves our arm across to our chest. The rectus abdominis help us to bend our body forward, or when we do the frontal plane. So the quadriceps, it helps us to straighten our knee for walking or running. So next is the hamstrings. It helps us to bend our knee and moves our leg backward. Next is the gluteus maximus. So it moves our hip and thigh. So next is the gastrocnemius. So it helps us to stand in tiptoes or we are doing jumping. So the last one is the trapezius. So it moves our shoulders and also it supports our neck. So skeletal muscle works together with our bones and joints. So it allows us to move like we are doing walking, running, or jumping.
Hey everyone, I am Lizamira Quinones and I will be going to discuss to you the structures of individual muscle fibers. So, muscles are made up of tiny fibers called muscle fibers or myofibrils. So, each muscle fibers is encased in a membrane called sarcolemma. And inside the fiber are structures like myofibrils that are responsible for the muscle contraction. So, mitochondria inside the muscle fibers produce ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, which is energy for muscle contraction. So, example, in sprinting, an athlete's legs muscles are use ATP to contract quickly and powerfully, which is essential for speed.
Good day everyone, I am J-Vie. Today I will be discussing the topic factors influencing muscle strength. In this report, we will learn about the different elements that affect how strong our muscle can become, such as muscle fiber type, muscle length, angle of pull, and neural activation. So the first topic that I will going to discuss to explain that muscle strength depends on the muscle cross-sectional area. A larger area means more muscle fibers allowing greater force productions. Simply put, bigger muscles are stronger because more fiber can contract at once. The second slide shows other factors that influence muscle strength. The muscle fiber types our muscle are made of two main kinds of fiber, which is the fast twitch and slow twitch. So the fast twitch fiber contract quickly and produce strong, powerful movement but get tired easily. They're used in activity like sprinting, or jumping. Meanwhile, the slow twitch fiber contract more slowly and are resistant to fatigue, making them ideal for endurance sports like running or cycling. So, in short, the type of muscle fibers we have affects how strong or how long our muscle or can perform. The third slide explains other factors that affect muscle strength, neuromuscular activations. It's the process where the brain and muscle work together produce movement. The brain sends signal through the nerves to the muscle causing them to contract. The stronger this mind-muscle connection, the better control and strength we can have. Athlete, Athletics can improve this through training. For example, focusing on the working muscle during exercise helps boost strength and performance. The fourth slide shows two more factors that affect muscle strength, muscle length, and angle of pull. Muscle length refers to how strength or shorted a muscle is. It produces the most force when it's optimal length, not too stretched or too tight. The angle of pull is the angle between the muscle force and the bone. When this angle is optimal, the muscle can move and contract more efficiently. In short, muscles are strongest when they are at the right length and angle of movement. Last one slide talks about fatigue and recovery, which both affect muscle strength. So fatigue happens when muscle lost energy and can perform well after too much activity, like when your arm feel weak after many push-ups. So recovery is when muscle rest, repair, and regain energy, making them stronger. In short, fatigue reduce strength, but recovery restores and improve it. That's why balancing exercise with rest is important for better performance.
Good day everyone, my name is Alash DJ Ping from FSC 2B, Group 5 in Biomechanics. So, connective tissue. Connective tissue is important because it support and protects the muscle, carries the blood vessel and nerves, allows the elasticity, and helps transfer force to the bones for movements. So connective tissue is found in between other tissue in the body. Most type of connective tissue consistent of three main components, which is the elastic, collagen fiber, and cell.
Our topic today is about response of tendons and ligament to immobilization. So, tendons and ligament are respond to immobilization by losing strength and elasticity under entropy and experience altered biomechanics. This can lead to increased injury risk and joint dysfunction, and gradual loading and rehabilitation program can help restore tissue health and function.
So, skeletal consideration for movements. So, our bones and joints help us move. The way we shape and connected affects how far and how will we move. Strong bones and correct posture makes movement easier and prevent injuries. Example, a basketball player needs strong leg bones and good posture to jump high and land safety.